Hey guys, remember to subscribe for new videos.
Hi guys, Captain Starlight here. Thanks for coming back. Today, I thought that I would share with you some of my hacks for the very important thing of packing. Now, make sure that you hang around to the end to get my super secret pack hacks. Okay guys, first pack hack. Don't pack on the day that you leave, because this will make you super stressful and you won't feel very good. You just won't have a good time. Make sure that you pack, if you can, 1 or 2 days before you leave, and this will have you feeling a lot more ready-ish to go on your adventure. Okay guys, hack number 2 for packing. Pack something fun to do so you don't get bored. You could pack a board game, or you could pack some colouring in, or you could even pack a tablet so you can keep up to date with Fun with Captain Starlight on YouTube. Yeah. This is also an excellent way to keep your brain active, get a bit creative, and stop you saying, "I'm bored," a million times, because it's just going to make you more bored. Okay guys, here we go. Hack number 3. Only pack things that you think you're going to use at the place where you're going. All you have to do is think about some of the activities that you might be doing at the place that you're going. Like, let's say that you're going to go for a swim. You're going to need to pack some bathers. Actually, that reminds me, I need to pack my bathers. Thanks for reminding me, guys. But then you can pack them, and then you're not lugging around all this stuff that you don't need. It'll save on the arms and it'll save on time. Okay guys, now it is time for my super secret pack hack. Only pack things that are really, really small, and this will save space in your suitcase. I know. Hello? Uh-huh. Oh, right. Yeah. Okay, see ya. Oh, actually, don't do that. Don't do that at all. Because then you won't have anything to wear, and that'll be super embarrassing. And it'll really annoy all the adults around you. Ooh, whoops. Bad advice there, but I hope you liked this video, guys, and if you did, make sure that you like and subscribe to Fun with Captain Starlight, and I'll see you next time. Bye!